your girl Lisa Peace and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another mukbang, crab legs, steak, and shrimp. I want to talk about a couple things, but I'm hungry, so I am going to start eating before I start talking. Because usually I be talking up a storm and not really eating. I know y'all probably be hating that, but I'm going to eat this time because I'm hungry. I made some butter sauce. And I know B love today. Because I didn't, ooh, that sauce is good, honey. Because I didn't have all the ingredients. So I'm like, I could just do some garlic butter. This steak good. I cooked it well done. I like my steak medium well. But if it comes from a grocery store and not the meat market, I can't do it. I can't do it medium well. I need it well done. Yeah, I got this ducked off to the side. Listen, child. That Kool-Aid is fire. Fire, honey. Ooh. That juice just got on me. Obviously, these are snow crabs. I'm sorry, because I did just say, look, I was trying to hurry up and eat. I'm like, I got crab legs, steak, and shrimp. Okay. Put some lemon on there. These came, let me tell you something. These came from a grocery store, too. Let me tell you something about me. Like I just said, I would not eat my steak not well done if it came from the grocery store. And I don't buy crab legs from grocery stores. I buy some shrimp from the grocery store. Crab legs, no. I think this is probably like my second time ever doing that. Listen, first of all, everything is so good. I gotta dip me down real fast. I'm dancing because I'm happy. Because it's good. And then it's crazy because you know how when you prepare the food, you don't be hungry when it's time to eat it. Shoot, not today. Piece of fat. I like to just. It be seasoned so good. It be seasoned so freaking good. You don't got no choice. I gotta move these shrimps, make some room for my steak sauce, honey. And I usually like to take my shell off my shrimp, but chefs, they recommend that you leave them on because more flavor, they say. I don't know the difference. I don't know if I see the difference of the more flavor or not, but it's good on them up. Steak and crab legs or lobster tails is my favorite thing to eat. I got a mess. Okay. So, what I want to talk about was Love and Hip Hop. First of all, why do they got both seasons airing at the same time? I don't really care for real, but I be forgetting to watch one because I don't have cable. I have a Fire Stick, so I'm not just flicking through my channels and I can Love and Hip Hop. You know how, okay, like let's say it come on at 8, then the other one come on at 9. It's gonna come back again, come on again at 10 and 11. But I can't catch stuff like that because I have a Fire Stick. So I gotta wait like certain times. Like if it air at 8 or 9, it's gonna be on my Fire Stick at like 1 in the morning. 1 in the morning. So I be forgetting that it's 2 seasons, so I'll probably watch one season and not the other one. Where are my scissors? I don't think it's nothing in here. Is this the one I already broke and got that meat out of? This don't look like it's okay. First of all, these scissors just whack. I only use these scissors one time. When I had crab legs for Thanksgiving. Honey child. That's my favorite thing to say. But anyways, sorry, keep getting off topic. But I feel like at the bachelor party, Richie Dollar should not been there. I don't care if you squashed the beef for him. I feel like you shouldn't even squash the beef for him if your fiance was not feeling it. Which I don't blame Erica Mena. She don't like Richie Dollars because he talked a lot of stuff about her. And I mean, you don't gotta deal with him, so why not? You know, like, you talk crap about me, I don't gotta deal with you ever in life. So even though we're on the same show, it doesn't matter. I still don't gotta be your friend, still don't gotta deal with you. So if I have that option in life, then I'm putting it into effect. If I tell my fiance we not cool with him, don't talk to him, don't invite him to nothing, and you still doing it, I don't like that. And yeah, Safari here real cool dude. He like, oh, he apologized, so it wasn't no point in me staying mad. You don't gotta stay mad. He apologized, but he should be at your bachelor, your bachelor party, and your fiance still don't like him. Like, I don't know. It was just stupid. And then she's so pregnant, she all crying at the dang bachelor party when he walked out. Oh! What was in my hair? I can't even take Safari serious when he really mad because he's such a happy person. I wonder why him and Nikki didn't work out. That butter sauce so good. I think it's because she wanted to be a hoe. She was tired of being with the same nigga for 5 years. That's what I think. That's what I think. But I really don't know. But I do think that. I do think she want to pop that coochie elsewhere, honey. But Nicki Minaj, she can't never even keep a man. Shit. Love her to death, but that bitch cannot keep a nigga. It ain't as good as you be saying it is. But, and then, that was on Love and Hip Hop New York, my bad. A lot of y'all probably don't even watch that stuff. But I want to talk about it though. Okay, so on Love and Hip Hop Miami, I can't never say her name. Amada Negra. Ooh, I don't know if that's her name, but her manager Julius used to manage Trina, the baddest Boosh, So, Trent is claiming he sold 300,000. I think that was how much, but it was in the 100,000s. Too damn much money from her, and she want her money, and he claimed he don't owe her no money. And Amara like, okay, well, have you stole from me? And like, what's the plan? Because at the end of the day, I'm working with you, and my life is in your hands. And if you stealing from people, or if people in these streets want to get your head, and like I said, my life is in your hands, I need to know, and I need to be working with somebody else. Period. But I mean, if I was her, I'd start working with him. Period. I mean, I just don't know. It's something about him I never liked. I don't think I liked him because I don't think I think I didn't like him because I didn't like how he didn't like Bobby because he was gay. And I'm just going off of what Bobby said. Bobby said that to him, like, I think you don't like me because I'm gay. And I believe Bobby. Because some men is like that. I don't look tired. Listen, I'm all up on this camera. I'm going to see my flaws and all. And I don't even care. I'm so sleepy. The way our schedule is now, me and my sons, I'm smashing this shit. The way our schedule is set up now, we be up. Most days we go to sleep at 7 in the morning. We wake up around like 12, 1. And be back to sleep all day. Not all day. We probably go back to sleep at like 12, 1. And then we be sleep till like 7. And I gotta go back to work at like 10 or 11. That's usually my. But having somebody babysit my son overnight is like, child. People do it, but they say the same thing. About him being breastfed, he tossed and turned in the middle of the night. Because when we sleep together, anytime he wake up in the middle of the night, I throw him on my boob. Throw him right on the boob. Nip that right in the bud. I just throw him right on the boob. I do. I mean, it works for us. But it is getting to the point where he feel obligated, or he's demanding the boob several times throughout the night. And it's like, okay. So that's why when he get with other people and they watching him while I'm at work during the night, during our sleeping times, he's up fussing, or he's fighting asleep, or got his eyes closed and still just turning his head back and forth. He do that with his eyes closed, just turning his head back and forth. I don't know what that means. I think it means he irritated. Ooh. First of all, I should have set this up better than this. It looked good for my thumbnail, but once I got to eating this stuff, it just looked a mess. You can't really see. I'm so sorry it took me so long to do that, because I did not know it was going to look like that. And I'm not even looking at the plate for real. If anything, I'm looking at myself and looking at this food. I feel so bad. I should have been do that. All my shrimp gone. I smashed that. I like how I did that. Like, the shrimp butter did not taste nothing like that butter. But of course not, because I didn't use the same seasonings. But I did that on purpose so it wouldn't taste like it. But did a good job is what I'm saying. Did a good job. Like this butter sauce really tastes like some restaurant stuff. Some restaurant stuff. Ooh. Yes, I'm petty. Oh, my me. I'm about to go warm up this butter. See, that's why I don't need to eat crab legs on camera. Because I'm trying to get every little piece of meat. Surely do. Surely does. Oh, look at that. Yeah, Oh. Flavors. Flavors. I'm so funny. That is still I promise you it was just as good as I made it look. Oh, dang. I just knew I was about to whip that out. It was about to be so pretty for you. See, I ain't gonna hold you up. I've been doing that beloved sauce so much lately. I forgot how good the regular sauce was with that shit. Ooh. Let's open that bad baby up. I done forgot how much, child. Look at that. I got my meat. See, that's why I mess with them. I don't know what to call that part. But that's why I mess with it like that. Because you got a little meat in there. And I want my meat. That little piece too. These crab legs good in the mud. I made them good, but still, they definitely decent for them to have came from the grocery store. Cherry limeade Kool-Aid. So good. Dirty. About to suck the mess out of his head. Smell his head. That old bait getting me, bro. I be seeing mukbangers. They be so worried about stuff on their face. I don't. I do to a certain extent, but like, it's mukbangers out here that, first of all, you a mukbanger. It's gonna always be food on your face. But as soon as they get a drop on their face, they gotta wipe it off because they probably got OCD or some dumb bullshit. Me, child. I'm only gonna wipe it just to be courteous of y'all. gonna spill my butter sauce all over me. I put two. I'm not gonna lie, I don't taste something spicy, but I feel it in my stomach, and I feel it in my nose and in my chest, like. But I don't taste no actual spice. Oh, I'm taking these scissors back. I don't give a fuck if it's been 3 months. Child, I want my money back. Because there's no way, though. You know, like, dang. Ooh, pardon me. You see a girl? Ah, oh, shit. Well, it could have been cute. But the devil always trying to stop me, baby. That's all. Or he always in full effect. I don't know how the hell I'm 26 minutes into this video. It don't even feel like I've been recording that long. Motherfucker gonna cut off in a minute. Oh, shoot, I gotta go to work. I ain't gonna be able to edit this tonight. I don't even think of that. I like to edit my videos the same day. So it could at least be up by the next day. I need to get my subscribers up so I can start getting monetized for this. I know I'm gonna get my watch time, but it's them subscribers. I had all these women trying to squeeze for dear life on that one. Let me tell you what I put in this butter sauce. Just minced garlic and accent salt. You should know what that is. Everybody know what that is. That shit. Drip away. Ooh, look at this piece of meat. Oh, I just fucked it up. Ooh, I got butter sauce dripping down my arm. And I know I look so crazy, probably. Why my hair gotta do that? Some people don't eat this part of the crab legs, so y'all try mine. All this meat be right here. Who about to waste $5 worth of crab legs? Not me. Not even a penny, honestly. That stuff be right for everybody. Well, I just dropped in this A1 sauce, so it's over for that. I got one more little piece, and I'm done with this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you get notified immediately when I post any upcoming posts. Just don't forget to do that stuff. I don't see how, but people forget to do that type of stuff. Oh, look at my hands. Or lemon. Yeah, but for some odd reason, people be forgetting to do that. Well, the main important thing is to dip. I'm about to edit a lot of this out, honey. Cause I was eating like a pig. I had this looking all messy. It look messy right now, child. I gotta clean this whole house. At least I clean while I cook, so I don't gotta clean the kitchen. Just this mess that's right in front of me, child. But okay, I am out of here. Peace.